Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. This one's actually been holding up and making a nice move. I think I did this one not too long ago, and to be honest, I didn't think I'd be back because I figured it was just gonna, keep on heading down. But this bounce has, like I said, been maintaining itself. So, maybe another one of the historic, WAMUQ monster bounces is in store. As you know, going if you follow this a while, this chart has really produced some big bounces. And I've had some people, asking, hey, check it out, what's been going on, and I gotta say it's been surprising me. So just want to go in and map out kind of what's been going on and what we want to see going forward. The key thing that was very nice to see happen was I was watching this resistance zone, as we'll call it, which was 0.047 through 0.048 right here. And you can see that before today, the price would get up here and test it and get knocked down, test it and get knocked down, test it and get knocked down, and it just couldn't quite seem to get through it. And then today, the price finally was able to basically close a little bit right above this whole zone right here. So, does that mean a huge, gigantic move is about to happen? I don't know about that, but at the same time, does that kind of bode well and show that it's a nice sign of strength? Absolutely, it's really uh, you know, showing some signs of life. So I'm going to leave 0.048 as resistance a little bit because the price hasn't quite closed above it, as you can see right there. It did close right at it, but this 0.47 I'm just going to get rid of because as far as I'm concerned, it's essentially been broken. And then the short-term support level that I'd keep an eye on is right here, which is the 5-day simple moving average. So that is the level where you're going to want to see if the price can maintain itself if there are any sort of pullbacks. If it can't, then basically the must hold, no excuses level of support is going to be down right around the 4 cent mark, which is where you can see this bottom took place, but I'm sure nobody wants to see it revisit here. So short-term support level is going to be the 5-day simple moving average. Right now that's valued at 0.044. But the must hold, no excuse level is going to be right here at 4 cents. In terms of resistance levels, like I said, it's still got 0.048 right here, and you also have this red line swooping down. This is the 20-day simple moving average, and as you can see that right there, that's also valued at 0.048. So a lot of these resistance levels are kind of matching up. But the big one, if this bounce continues, is going to be up here at this green line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. But one step at a time. The important part about this one is putting in higher lows, and ever since it put in that low right there, it's been doing exactly that, putting in higher lows. So as long as the price continue to creep up like that, things are gonna continue to look good and set off more traders' radars. And to see a volume increase, although not by much, that's what you want to see on these upwards moves. So if tomorrow it could end up with another green bar and maybe a volume down here a little bit bigger than the previous 2 days, that'd be a great way to end the week, but we'll just have to sit back and see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go in there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get charts set up to trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening.